Good morning, dear Principal Ma'am, teachers, and everyone present here. Today, as we gathered under the banner of resilience and perseverance, we embark on a journey of exploration into the theme Smile Through the Storm. As we navigate turbulent seas of life, we often come across challenges, setbacks, and storms that threaten to diminish our spirits. Yet, amidst the chaos, there exists a powerful guiding light, the ability to smile through adversity. In our Grade 7 assembly today, we will reflect on the changes, on the strength found in embracing challenges, the courage required to face them head on, and wisdom gained from weathering life storms. Over to you, Nikita.
Thank you, Upasna. Every morning we get a chance to be different, a chance to change, a chance to be better. With this beautiful quote, I, Nikita of Grade 7, along with my friends, wish you all a very cheerful morning. Prayer has the power of creating a pious atmosphere. It helps us to attain the significance of ethical values. So, let's talk to the Almighty Creator of the whole universe. I now call upon Mayur to conduct the prayer.
I request everyone to join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments, where narrow honesty calls, where words come out from the depth of truth, when childish striving stretches his arms towards perfection, with the clear stream of reason has not lost its way. In the day it is a surrounded habit, where the mind is led forward by thee in their winding thought and action into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayur. Exploring the words of school song reminds us why we are in school. With heart and soul, that is to say, in everything we do with our entire being. We read, the way we learn, we become educated, we move forward, we grow, the way which leads us to freedom and truth. We have a goal, a vision that transcends us. With this, I would like to welcome our choir group to lead us with the school anthem.
Thank you, choir. The act of patriotism and feeling patriotic are things which makes a stronger nation. The main reason is that Pledge of Allegiance is said in schools is to instill a scene of patriotism among us. Let us recite the pledge with dignity and pride with our country. I request Varshit to lead us with the pledge.
I request everyone to stretch your right hand forward and repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, Varshit. You all may be seated. We wish Vrihan Reddy from grade 3B and Laharish from grade 8B a very happy birthday from the WPS family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless and keep you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Today's significance. Today is celebrated as Helen Keller's Day, honoring her remarkable achievement and encouraging a more inclusive society. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illegal Trafficking, or World Drug Day, is marked on 26 June every year to strengthen action and cooperation in achieving a world-free drug abuse. The aim of this year's campaign is to raise awareness about the importance of treating people who use drugs with respect and empathy, providing evidence-based voluntary services for all, offering alternatives to punishment, prioritizing prevention, and leading with compassion. The campaign also aims to combat stigma and discrimination against people who use drugs by promoting language and attitudes that are respectful and non-judgmental. Now, I would like to call upon my friends for an act of Nukkad Natak.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, हम 7वीं कक्षा के छात्र आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने वाले हैं नुक्कड़ नाटक। हाँ हाँ नुक्कड़ नाटक, हाँ हाँ नुक्कड़ नाटक। नशा मुक्त दुनिया, नशा मुक्त दुनिया। छोड़ दो ये संदेश पहुंचाना है। 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 देखो देखो नुक्कड़ नाटक, 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 देखो देखो नुक्कड़ नाटक। नशे को दूर भगाना है। हाँ हाँ नशे को दूर भगाना है। छोड़ दो ये संदेश पहुंचाना 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 है। मैं
तमाशा हूँ, मैंने जिंदगी को बर्बाद होते देखा है।
छोड़ दो ये संदेश पहुंचाना है। छोड़ दो ये संदेश पहुंचाना है। छोड़ दो ये संदेश पहुंचाना है। छोड़ दो ये संदेश पहुंचाना है। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। मैंने अच्छे भले घरों को उजाड़ते देखा है। मैंने अच्छे भले घरों को उजाड़ते देखा है। छोड़ दो ये संदेश पहुंचाना 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 है। छोड़ दो नशीले चीजें छोड़ दो। 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 छोड़ दो ये संदेश पहुंचाना है। 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 बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज यहाँ हम आए हैं। बात बतेगी बताने हम आज।
Please give them a big round of applause. Through inspiring stories, thought-provoking ideas, and uplifting performances, we aim to ignite the flames of resilience within each and every one of us. Through our skit, together, let us discover the power of a smile in the face of adversity and learn to navigate life's storms with grace, determination, and unwavering optimism. Now, let's give it up for a motivational skit. Over to you, narrators. Check.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Rio Olympics weightlifting finals. Representing India, we have Mirabai Chanu, one of the brightest hopes for a medal in weightlifting. She lifts the barbell with determination, but struggles to lift the weight. Disappointment is visible on her face as she fails to make a successful lift. Unfortunately, Mirabai Chanu couldn't make a successful lift today. But this is not the end of her journey. Despite her best efforts, Mirabai Chanu couldn't achieve her desired result in Rio. The weight of defeat hung heavy on her shoulders.
Mirabai, I know it's tough, but remember, failure is not the end. It's an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Mirabai, I know you're feeling disheartened after what happened in Rio, but remember, every setback is just a setup for a comeback.
Sir, I have no poor family background. My father works as a construction worker with the state public works, and my mother works in the paddy field and runs a small tea shop. I'm the youngest among the 6 siblings. The financial crisis was such that 3 times food for a family was a luxury.
When I was 12 years old, I started my training at Sports Academy in Manipur. After years of hard work, my first breakthrough came in 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Poland. I won the silver medal for the 48 kgs category and then I got qualified for the Rio Olympics. Sir, I don't think I can do this anymore. I put everything I had into this competition but still failed. I'm thinking to give up the sport.
Mirabai, I know it's tough right now, but I want you to think about someone who faced adversities head on, just like you. Have you ever heard of Charlie Chaplin? Let me tell you his story. Charlie Chaplin was a legendary actor and filmmaker known for his silent comedies. But you know that he faced numerous rejections and failures before becoming successful.
Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named Charlie Chaplin. He had a loving mother, Hannah, and an older half brother, Sidney. Young Charlie lived with his parents and older brother in a modest and run-down house. His father was a drug addict. He abandoned his entire family. His mother was a singer in a theater, and she hardly earned a few pennies to run the family.
When Charlie was 5 years old, he went to the theater with his mother. Check. There, his mother suddenly had a glitch in her throat and was unable to sing and stopped singing. The outraged audience started screaming at her. Looking at that, young Charlie goes onto the stage and sings whatever he could in a funny manner. The audience starts praising the young boy.
Wow, whoa, 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 wow, whoa, 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 wow, whoa, 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 wow, whoa, whoa, whoa.
They threw a few pennies. He immediately stops the song and picks up the pennies. This act was so humorous, the way he did it in the middle of the song. After picking up the pennies, he continues to sing. This was his first stage performance.
Whoa, 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 wow, whoa, whoa, whoa.
When Chaplin was 14 years, his mother was sent to a mental asylum. He lived alone for several days, searching for food and occasionally sleeping rough. Chaplin began performing at an early age, touring music halls and later working as a stage actor and comedian.
As Charlie grew older, his dreams of becoming a performer never faded, despite the hardships he faced.
For the second appearance in front of the camera, Chaplin selected the costume and the character of Tramp with which he becomes identified. The pants baggy, the coat tight, the hat small, and the shoes large. small mustache would hide age without hiding expression. The tram character captured the hearts of audience everywhere. Despite facing many storms in his life, Charlie Chaplin continued to smile, bringing joy to millions around the world. Charlie has become the sensational star of silent films.
Mirabai, just like Charlie Chaplin, you have the power to turn your setbacks into comebacks. It's not about how many times you fail, but how many times you get back up.
You're right, coach. I can set one new feature for me. I'll keep on practicing and pushing myself until one day I'll make my India proud.
That's the spirit, Mirabai. I will be here in your every step of the way, cheering you on.
Mirabai recovered from the loss in a few days and started training again. Mr. Vijay Sharma changed the technique to suit Mirabai to enable her to improve her performance.
जा नस नस में तू जोश जगा कुछ भी नहीं आसान यहाँ अपनी राहें खुद ही बना मेहनत कर पसीना बहा रुकना और थकना है मना जीत न चाहे कर तू यहाँ कर खुद को तैयार जरा Get ready to fight Get ready to fight अपनी अलग पहचान बना जीत न चाहे कर तू यहाँ कर खुद को तैयार जरा Get ready to fight Get ready to fight Get ready to fight Get ready to fight
Attitude of determination, self-confidence, and the character of not giving up brought her the Padma Shri Award, the fourth highest civilian honor by the Government of India, to her contribution to the sport.
काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल दाम के जहान देखेगा एक दिन, तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आगे जमीन पे देखे जाए आसमान। शाबाशिया 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 शाबाशिया। सच होने के खातिर जो सपने कीमत मांगेंगे, जाग गिराते कीमत पर देना। जब नजदीक से देखे तो खुशियों के आंसू आए, तू नजरों को वो मंजिल देना। खूबी ये देख ही एक दिन मिटाएगी तेरी हजार कामियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आगे जमीन पे देख जाए आसमान। शाबाशिया 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 शाबाशिया।
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Tokyo Olympics weightlifting finals. Representing India, we have Mirabai Chanu, one of the brightest hopes for a medal in weightlifting.
Mirabai Chanu was the only Indian woman weightlifter to qualify for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. She motivated herself and went on to win a silver medal at the Olympics by lifting a total of 202 kgs. She created history by becoming the only second Indian woman weightlifter to have won an Olympic medal.
So, my dear friends, let us embark on the journey with open hearts and minds, ready to embrace the storms of life with a smile. For it is in the darkest of times where our smile shines the brightest, illuminating the path towards a brighter tomorrow.
On behalf of the Delhi World Public School Company, we all wish Mirabai Chanu all the very best for the upcoming Olympics at Paris in September 2024. All the best.
Our
Our class teachers play a pivotal role in students' academic journey by providing guidance, support, and discipline. Now, let's welcome our class teachers to share their valuable insights. I now call upon the class teacher of 7A, Ms. Sarita Nanduri ma'am, the class teacher of 7B, Shravanti ma'am, and the class teacher of 7C, Sujata ma'am.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, my dear teachers, and my children. Smile through the storm. Children, you remember small babies? How are they? Small babies, when they are born, they don't know anything. So, after few days, they'll try to after 6 months and all, they try to crawl. They don't know how to crawl. They fall. They try to go. And if you keep any object in front of them, that gives them motivation. They go, they try to catch it, they fall. When they fall, you must see the faces. They keep like this as if they're going to cry. But immediately we do like this, they smile. And again, they raise up, they go, they try. After that, they start crawling. Then the next mission starts. Now they want to hold and catch and then stand. They'll go, they'll try to hold something. They want to explore what is there behind them, beside them. They'll go, they'll try to hold, take a support and catch. And after that, when they try to stand on their legs, the next mission starts. Now they want to walk. They try walking, they fall down. Again they rise up, they try walking, they fall down. And till they walk, they keep on trying. And once they walk, they are so happy that want to run. So children, this is how God has made us. Instinctively, we have in us to face the challenges. We know we are born with that instinct. It is all instilled by God that we know how to face a small baby who don't know anything. They try to crawl, they try to walk, and then they run. So they don't stop. They are ready for the next challenge. It is all given by God. It is there with us. The only thing is, when we grow up, we are distracted with many things. We get upset. We get frustrated when things don't happen. So, as we have so many distractions, it is very, very important, like a small child, to have a positive attitude, which is already there in this. But the distractions just cover that. You have to just find the silver lining in the cloud. See, when child is in mother wombs, mother prepares them by taking good food and everything. And when the child is out, he is ready for the challenges. He is strong enough to hold something and lift himself. He is strong enough to crawl. That all inputs are given by mother when he is in womb. Similarly, here in the school, we are preparing by all these things to face challenges that you are going to face in the real world. Why are we conducting these assemblies, telling the life skills, so many activities? These are all things which will help you to really face the challenges which you are going to get in the real world situation once you are out of school. Children, all these things, whatever you are learning here, you will learn in school age. Once you are in the outside world, you are expected to know all these in your life. So have a positive attitude. Try to learn things. Try to seek from your education, whatever we are doing here. Please don't take it in a lighter note. Please take it why we are doing all these assemblies, what things you are getting, how to get the challenges. And please, I request everyone to be mindful, spontaneous, what is happening around you. See the things around you, what is happening. And children, please have a positive, if you have a positive attitude, you will make the every environment positive and you are ready to face the challenges that you are going to get ahead in your life. Life is full of challenges. See your heartbeat when you see in the screen. It is all ups and down, right? Is it straight? Is it straight? If it is straight, that means there is no life. Your heartbeat itself is ups and down. That means you are prepared to face the challenges. The only thing is you should know how to do it. You have to be trained, that we are doing in the school. So please take it reflect yourself whether you're all following what is given, what the instructions, the discipline, whatever is given in the school. Please take it, reflect upon yourself, and go with a positive attitude. I'm very pretty sure that you all will face your life challenges with a smile and positive attitude. Thank you, children.
Good morning, dear principal ma'am. Good morning, dear teachers and my dear student. को ज़्यादा तंग नहीं करूँगी, मैं आपको छोटी सी कहानी सुनाने वाले हूँ. Are you ready? Yes. तो भाई एक गांव था जहाँ पर एक आदमी रहता था. ध्यान से सुनना, बाद में क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी. एक गांव था जहाँ पर एक आदमी रहता था और वो रोज सुबह उसके घर के पास एक पहाड़ी इलाका था जहाँ पर वो टहलने जाता था. राइट? तो रोज वो आते जाते रहता था. तो उसका एक छोटा सा बच्चा था, तो उसके पापा को रोज देखता रहता था. तो एक दिन उसके पापा के पास बेटा गया और उसके पापा के हाथ पकड़ा और फिर उसने कहा, पापा आज मैं भी आपके साथ चलूँगा, मुझे भी लेकर चलो. फिर उस पापा ने कहा, नहीं बेटा, जहाँ पर मैं जा रहा हूँ वो रास्ता बहुत ही कठिन है. रास्ते पे पहाड़ है, पत्थर है, घाई है, यू कांट कम अलॉन्ग विथ मी. तो बेटे ने कहा, नहीं पापा मुझे जाना है, मैं बहुत स्ट्रांग हूँ. तो पापा ने कहा, चलो मैं लेकर चलूँगा. फिर पापा और बेटा दोनों गए. फिर जहाँ जहाँ चल रहे थे, पापा उसके बेटे के हाथ पकड़ा हुआ था. फिर आगे पापा, पीछे बेटा. फिर थोड़ी देर सामने जाने के बाद पापा आगे चले गए, बेटा पीछे था. क्योंकि पापा हर रोज़ उस रास्ते पे जाते थे. पापा को पता था कि उस रास्ते पे कितने पत्थर थे, कितने पशु जानवर आते रहते हैं, मगर बेटे को ये बात पता नहीं थी. तो बेटा जब जा रहा था, उसके रास्ते पे एक पत्थर आया. तो बेटे को पत्थर अपने पाँव पे लगा. बेटा उसको समझ में नहीं आया, उसने ज़ोर से एक चीख लगाई, हाँ. क्योंकि वो जो इलाका था वो पहाड़ी इलाका था, उसकी आवाज़ उसको वापस गूंज रही थी. इको, इट वॉज कमिंग, राइट. तो बेटे ने सोचा, ये कौन है जो मुझे तंग कर रहा है. उसे ज़ोर से गया और वहाँ पर चिल्लाया, कौन हो आप जो मुझे तंग कर रहे हो. अगेन ही स्क्रीम, कौन हो भाई आप, मुझे तंग मत करो. फिर वो वहाँ पर बैठ गया और रोना शुरू कर दिया. फिर पापा आए. पापा आकर बेटे से पूछा, बेटा क्या हुआ. बेटे ने कहा, पापा देखिए ना, कोई है जो मुझे तंग कर रहा है, बार बार मुझे चिढ़ा रहा है. फिर पापा को बात समझ में आई. फिर बेटे से कहा, बेटा ठीक है, तू देख अब मैं कैसे इसे परेशान करूँगा. पापा गए, पहाड़ी इलाके पर खड़े हुए और उसने ज़ोर से चिल्लाया, मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. फिर वो आवाज़ जो है वापस आई. राइट. फिर उस थोड़ी दूर गए. फिर उसने कहा, आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हो. वही आवाज़ उसको वापस सुनाई दी. बेटे थोड़ा मुस्कुराया. फिर पापा से पूछा, पापा जब मैंने कहा तो उसने मुझे चिढ़ाया, जब आपने कहा तो वो आपसे प्यार कर रहा है, ऐसे कैसे. फिर पापा ने कहा, बेटा ये जो आवाज़ है ये तेरी अंदर की आवाज़ है. तो तू सोच रहा है वही बाहर भी गूंज रही है. तो याद रखना मेरी बात, तू जैसे सोचेगा दुनिया वैसी रहेगी. चाहे दुनिया कैसे भी हो, तू मुस्कुराते हुए अपने रास्ते का जो भी जितने भी मुश्किलें हैं उसको पार कर. सेम लाइक आवर असेंबली थीम, स्माइल थ्रू द स्टॉर्म. ठीक है, समझ में आई कहानी. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear students. Children, what is the theme of our assembly today? Yes, are you smiling when you are facing problem? Yes, smile through storms means maintaining the positive attitude even when you face hard things or challenges. A smile is a symbol of hope, endurance and resilience. Taking a smile, we acknowledge our pains and hardships, and we never give up attitude, whatever it may be. Yes, whatever, no matter the path may be daunting, the path may seem, but still we never give up. So children, whenever you face any storm, any challenging situation just like this storm, just smile at it. You can make a difference. You can see the difference within you and those around you. Thank you. God bless you all.
Now we welcome our beloved Principal Ma'am to address us with the words of wisdom and encouragement. Please join me in welcoming our Principal Ma'am as she shares her insights with us today. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sam. My dear team and beloved students, good morning. Smile through the storm. It means to be positive, to be hopeful, and to be strong when you are facing challenges in your life. If you consider storm as a tough situation in your life, whatever you are facing, just imagine how the storm brings dark clouds, right? When before storm, what will be in the sky? Dark clouds will be there, right? Strong wind and rain. In the same way, the difficult situations in your life will pull you down. But you have to stay strong to show that I am very strong to encounter the challenges, whatever I am going to face in my life. Children, if we talk about difficult situations in your life, really do you have difficult situations? Yes. Who is that? Yes, come here. I want to see that difficult situation. Who told yes, darling? I will tell you what all the difficult situations, right? When I am choosing topics for the assembly, this topic is not for you. Maybe it is useful for you in the future. But right now, this assembly theme is dedicated to all the teachers standing behind, to all your parents, and to all the orphan children in the orphanages. Right? Happily, you have your family to take care of yourself, right? Yes or no? If your friend come to school and says to you, today my dad bought one PlayStation to me, immediately you will be waiting when 3:30 bell will ring, I will go to home. Papa, you know, and you will be waiting for your dad to come from the office. Papa, today my friend told that his father bought one PlayStation. I want the PlayStation immediately. Right? Whatever he is undergoing, still one smile will be there on his face and he will tell, okay beta, by Saturday you will have PlayStation in your hands. So you don't have any difficult situations. You are very happy. Yes or no? You are very happy. You don't know what is difficult situation at all. But you just imagine the orphanages. Every November we will go to Jasmine House, right? There we are having 50 to 60 orphan girls are there. Once again, children, you have your family to take care of you. If you have any problem, you will go and share with them. But for them, no one is there. But when you go and speak to them, smile will be there on their face. But what they are undergoing, what is there in their hearts? A big storm. No one is there. They have to settle. They have to study. If you see their performance in the schools, they are the toppers. You know that? But still, they will be searching for the sponsors. Who will sponsor our fees for this academic session? That is their situation. For you, parents are paying fees, school fees, mess fees, transport fees. All fees are filled without any difficulty. But coming to performance, I don't speak about performance. Okay? I just leave that question to you. You ponder yourself. Whether we are doing justice to our parents or not. And the teachers who are standing there. Last week, you know, Pratibha ma'am's mother is not well. She was there in the hospital. But still she came to the school with the same smiling face. So children, you have to understand, teachers are standing there, you don't know what happened to their family members, where they are, but still they are standing here with the smiling face. But storm is happening inside. They are bearing that. So, but today they are here to share their knowledge. Please, don't misuse their sacrifice. Be attentive in the classroom, listen to the teachers and respect to the teachers. They are keeping aside everything outside the gate and they are entering inside by seeing your smiling faces. Right? Try to respect each and every teacher. Wish them when they see you or when you are seeing them. These are the values what we want to inculcate you into the school campus. So, I don't want to get into difficult situations, okay? So, you have to be ready to face the challenges. Remember one thing, God will give difficult situation to the person who can tolerate it. Who will have that faith? Yes, I have the ability to encounter. I can face any challenge. I can stand firm. So that should be your attitude. Definitely in future, everyone should face all the tough situations. From now onwards, we are preparing you how you have to be. So be positive. Thank you.
Your insights and guidance were invaluable to us. Your words have always inspired us, and we believe that they will leave a lasting impact on all of us. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Over to you, Bhavya Ma'am.
Thank you, Shrika. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm here to announce the Science Olympiad results for the last academic year. Starting off with the international medals, yes, this academic year we have students who have scored top international ranks. So starting with grade 2, we have Ayansh Varutkar, who has won international gold medal and a gold excellence medal and also a gift voucher of ₹1,000. Can you please give a big round of applause to Ayansh Varutkar? We also have Manvita Sai of grade 2 who also bagged gold international medal, gold excellence medal and also a gift voucher of ₹1,000. Next we have Dakshita Reddy of grade 2 who has bagged silver international medal, a gold excellence medal and a check of ₹2,700. Next we have T. Srenika of grade 2 who has bagged bronze international medal, gold excellence medal and a gift voucher of ₹1,000. Next up is Zonal Excellence Award. From grade 2, we have K. Garshit, who has won gold zonal medal, gold excellence medal, and also a check of ₹5,000. We also have Advait Ashish of grade 2 who has bagged bronze zonal medal, gold excellence medal and a gift voucher of ₹1,000. Next up, we have grade 1 who have won the medal of distinction. From grade 1, we have Akira Adelli, who has won gold medal and a gift voucher of rupees 500. Sheikh Tasneem, who also bagged a gold medal and also a gift voucher of rupees 500. Umay Kulsum, who has won a gift voucher of rupees 500. And we have Ananya Prashant, Zaveria Naz, P. Manvi, S. Mehraj and C. H. Jashwita, who have bagged gold medal. From grade 2, we have Krishiv Jindal and Tejeshwar, who also bagged gold medals. Krishiv Jindal and Tejeshwar. Next up, we have the class toppers. From grade 1, we have Umay Kulsum. Grade 2, Tarun Sonard and Sinchana Sonard. And also from grade 2, we have G. Dikshita Shri. I repeat, grade 1, Umay Kulsum. Grade 2, Tarun Sonard, Sinchana Sonard, G. Dikshita Shri. Dikshita. From grade 3, we have Laina Begwani, Reyansh Krishna, and Shreya Srinivas Prabhu. I repeat, from grade 3, Laina Begwani, Reyansh Krishna, Shreya Srinivas Prabhu. From grade 4, we have Tejasvi Yadav, K. Dhruvan Sri Kaushik, G. Hanvik. I repeat, from grade 4, Tejasvi Yadav, K. Dhruvan Sri Kaushik, G. Hanvik. From grade 5, we have Dhruvan Gaur, Shreyas Reddy, Harshan Sai. I repeat, Dhruvan Gaur, Shreyas Reddy and Harshan Sai. From grade 6, B. Vedant, Sai Kartikeya, Pratham Somshekar, and G. Sai Suhas. I repeat, B. Vedant, Sai Kartikeya, and Pratham Somshekar, and also G. Sai Suhas. Grade 7, Rochiteshwar Reddy, E. Taman, and Om Harihara. I repeat, Rochiteshwar Reddy, E. Taman, and Om Harihara. Come this side. Hello. From grade 8, we have Arjun Amit, G. Rohan Sai, and B. Shreyas. I repeat, Arjun Amit, G. Rohan Sai, and B. Shreyas. And from grade 9, we have Joel and B. S. K. Hruday. I repeat, Joel and B. S. K. Hruday. We also have international rank holders for Cyber Olympiad, that is Computer Olympiad. From grade 1, Stuvi Jain, who has bagged bronze international medal and a check of rupees 200. And S. Mehraj also bagged bronze international medal and a check of rupees 200. Can we all give a big, huge round of applause to all the students? So next we have the winners of the Chitra Lekhanam art competition that was conducted in the month of March. So the winners from PP1. Can we have Shivranjani ma'am to join along with Principal ma'am to give away the prizes? And also Ravi sir. Saida Nanduri ma'am, can you please join Principal ma'am? PP1, the first prize is bagged by Amulya Sindhuja, second by Shivansh Gorak, and third by Manvita Krishnamurthy. First, second, third. Yes, first, second, third. From PP2, first place is bagged by Rudransh Chandan, second by Chanakya, third by Ritvik Sai. bagged by Nagapranavi, second by Shreyan Reddy, and third by Pranshi Rath. From grade 1A, first place is bagged by Riya Chekkapalli, second by K. Shreyanvi, third place by Moksha. From grade 1B, first place is bagged by Sukhirti, second by Arush, and third by S. Mokshasri. From grade 2A, first place is bagged by Ananya Prashant, second by Zaveria Naz, third and also second place by Stuvi Jain. From grade 2B, the first place is bagged by Yuvan, second by Akira Adeli, and third place by Ruchika. From 2C, the first place is bagged by Vansh, second by Manan Patil, and third by Shivansh. From 3A, the first place is bagged by Tanisha, second by Jashrita, and third place by Shrenika. From 3B, the first place is bagged by Tarun Sonnad, second by Advait Ashish, and third place by Chakshita Rao. first place is bagged by Sinchana Sonara, second by K.S. Shlok, and third place by Manya. From grade 4, the first place is bagged by Laina Begwani, second place by Pranavi Goshal, third by D. Likita Chaudhary and Devna Gorak. First place by Laina Begwani, second place by Pranavi, third place by D. Litisha and Devna. From 4B, the first place is bagged by Aisha Begum, second by Krisha Tora, and third place by Abhishri Upadhyay. Grade 5A, the first place is bagged by Y. Loksha Reddy, second by Yukta Ambati, and third place by Dusri Kaushik. I repeat, by Loksha Reddy, Yukta Ambati and Dhruvsi Kaushik. Grade 5B, the first place is bagged by S. Rakesh Naidu, second place by M. Varnika, and the third place is bagged by Hamsika. Rakesh Naidu, M. Varnika, and K. Hamsika. From grade 5C, the first place is bagged by Devanshi Oja, second place by Nishika Pandey, and third place by Ayushi Swapnil. Grade 6A, the first place is bagged by P. Sri Rudra, second by Gaikwad Niket, and third place by L. Akhil Reddy. From grade 6B, the first place is bagged by Kaushik K. Pimparikar, second place by Harshan Sai, and third place by Sai Ritisha. Dishita. The first place is bagged by Preetham Sonada, second place by Manha, and third place by S. Shreyas Reddy. I repeat, Preetham Sonada, Manha, and S. Shreyas Reddy. grade 7A. The first place is bagged by Advita Jali, second place by Samiksha Pawar, third place by S. Hansini and C. Pujita. CH Pujita. I repeat, the first place is bagged by Advita Jali, second place by Samiksha Pawar, third place by S. Hansini and CH Pujita. Grade 7B, the first place is bagged by G. Sai Suhas, second place by Parnika Bandela and third place by Prajwal Rana. Who's absent? Where's Suhas? What's the audio watching? Come here. First. Parnika second, Prajwal third. 7C, the first place is bagged by Pratham Somashekar, second place by K. Arjun Krishna and third place by Sanvika Sheni Shetty. Grade 8A, the first place is bagged by P. Anirudh, second place by Rakshanda and third place by Sai Snapika. I repeat, first place by Anirudh, second by Rakshanda and third place by Snapika. Walk, Anirudh, run! Ma'am, second place absent. Anirudh, first place. Yeah, ma'am. Bring them forward. Grade 8B, the first place is bagged by A. Lehrish, second by Sai Brinda and third place is bagged by K. Tanvi Reddy. First place absent. Lehrish. Coming to grade 9A, the first place is bagged by Bhanvika Samudrala, second place by Yuvan, and third place by Sanjana Shekhar. Walk fast, Bhanvika. Big steps. Ma'am, send them forward. Grade 9B, the first place is bagged by Veda, second by Shrikruti Vaishnav, and third place by Akanksha Singh. Grade 10A, the first place is bagged by Hajna, second by Bhavika Kataria, and third place by Ritika Reddy. Grade 10B, the first place is bagged by Sri Vidya Gayatri, second place by Adya Mishra, and third place by M. Aditya Revant Verma. Grade 10C, the first place is bagged by Sai Rohita, second place by CH Akanksha, and the third place is bagged by Karishma Bishnoi. end of today's prize distribution. Can you all give a huge round of applause to all the students? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, principal ma'am. Thank you, teachers. Over to Lohitasya.
Thank you, Mom. A national anthem of a country serves as an unifying force, instilling a sense of pride and belonging among its citizens. It is a significant symbol that embodies its history, values, and aspirations. I now request everyone to rise up to your feet for national anthem.